Good day! For today's video, we're going to discuss Quarter 1, Module 1, Physical Education, Lesson 4, Making It Part of Life, Weightlifting. Objectives: 1. Define weightlifting. 2. Give the benefits of weightlifting. 3. Enumerate the procedures of bicep curls and side swing. 4. Demonstrate the procedures of bicep curls and side swing using improvised dumbbells. And lastly, appreciate the importance of considering weightlifting to your everyday exercise routine. Origin of weightlifting. Weightlifting or weight training goes all the way back to the time of ancient Greece. Weight training began when all Olympic athletes in ancient Greece wanted to train and improve their endurance and their physical fitness. During this time, the athletes did not have any type of weight equipment, so in order for them to improve their physical strength, they had to use elements of nature. What is weightlifting? It is a common type of strength training for developing the strength and size of skeletal muscles. It utilizes the force of gravity in the form of weighted bars and dumbbells in order to oppose the force generated by music through concentric or eccentric contraction. Concentric contraction. Concentric contractions are central aspect of growth and development of muscles. As muscle contracts, they begin the process of hypertrophy. Hyper meaning increase, and trophy meaning growth. Eccentric contraction. An eccentric contraction is the motion of muscle while it is lengthening under load, where the muscle contracts to control joint motion performed by an outside force. An example of eccentric contraction is when performing an exercise such as biceps curl. Types of lifting exercise. 1. Free weights. Lifting free weights involves a precise set of movements pushing or pulling on dumbbells, barbells, or kettlebells. Lifters may also swing kettlebells to exercise different muscles. In addition to building muscle, lifting exercises with free weights can help develop balance during efforts to stabilize the body. Free weights mimic body movements used in certain sports, potentially increasing training effectiveness. Types of free weight lifting exercises include bicep curls, bench presses, kettlebell swings, deadlifts, and bent over rows. Number 2. Strength training equipment. Strength training equipment is usually easy and safe for beginners to use. They involve pushing or pulling a weight along a set path, ensuring correct form and preventing injury. Lifters who wish to isolate a specific muscle group may find working with strength training equipment more effective than using free weights. Types of strength training equipment exercises include bench presses, leg presses, machine chest flies, seated rows, and pull downs. Number 3. Body weight exercises. Body weight exercises involve using your own body weight as resistance against movement. These exercises have the advantage of requiring little to no equipment, allowing them to be performed anywhere. Body weight exercises are best for advanced lifters who have learned correct form. While performing exercises, you can hold or wear additional weight to increase muscle stress. Types of body weight exercises include push-ups, pull-ups, squats, lunges, dips, and jumps. Disadvantages of lifting exercise. Free weights. Lifting free weights has the potential for injury with beginners, particularly movements that result in the weight being lifted over the head. In addition, Isolating specific muscle groups can be more difficult with free weights. Strength training equipment. Strength training machines allow only one type of movement and do not work stability muscles. Body weight exercises. Using only body weight as resistance may limit the types of lifting exercises you can perform. A combination of all three types of lifting exercises can help beat exercise boredom as well as yield effective lifting regimen. Benefits of strength training lifting exercise. Increases lean muscles mass. Continuous strength training will help tone your muscles because it is repetitive action or contraction of the muscle. Increases bone density and reduces risk of osteoporosis. As we age, our bone density changes and our bones become more brittle. So strength training can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis, which is the main problem of older people. Increases muscle strength to make everyday activities easier. The muscle gets immune with the strength being exerted and it will help you accomplish harder work easily and with ease. Lower risk of injury. Exercising the joint to achieve its maximum range could be attained through strength training. As a result, the individual can accomplish more tasks. Reminders for strength training, lifting exercise. 1. Make sure to undergo warm-up exercises first to condition yourself in doing the suggested activity. 2. Perform in a wide space and make sure you are wearing a comfortable fitness attire. 3. Hydrate yourself. 4. Have someone observe you, any member of the family, while performing to get instructions relating to execution, safety, and security. Bicep curls using improvised dumbbells. Procedures. 1. Stand firm on the ground with feet apart and distribute your weight well. 2. Starting position. While holding the battles, place your hands on your side. You may change the way you handle and the direction of the battle as long as you hold them firmly. Number 3. Lift the battles by bending your hands in front of you. 4. Go back to the first position. Repeat the whole steps 15 times. Side swings using improvised dumbbell. Procedures. 1. For the starting position, place your hands on your sides with one battle per hand like the first exercise. Number 2. Step your right foot to the side, then swing your arms until shoulder level. Like flapping wings, then return to first position. Number 3. Do the same thing with the left side, then repeat the whole figure 15 times. For further understanding of our lesson for today, let's have activity number 1. Directions. In your activity notebook, record your progress in doing these simple strength exercises by writing how many reps you can accomplish from Monday to Friday. Write your experience as you engage in this activity. Copy the table in your notebook. You may use music while doing the exercises. If you can think of more related activities using improvised equipment, then you may include them. To rate your work in activity number 1, we are going to use this rubric. Let's have another activity. Activity number 2. Directions. In essay form, explain the importance of working out using the guide questions below. Write it on a one whole sheet of paper. 1. How could you apply strength training as part of your everyday living? Number 2. Why is strength training important in your life? Note, your output will be graded according to its substance, relevance, and expression. I hope you learn a lot from our lesson for today. Thank you for listening.